What is this? It's a Jack Russell Territorial Marks. Oh, can you read it? Yu Xiang Lin. That's the only word I can read. Okay, that's a dog. Kasi merong dog dito. Ayan. This is the Pau Memorial Park, where there are the soldiers died. A lot of soldiers died here in World War II. This is the location of Taiwan Pau Camps. Ayan. The map. It's a map location. And there is at the back of that wall, there's a comfort room. Yan, this is the place, a very safe place. Yan, that's Kilong San or Kilong Mountain. And that one naman, the other side, opposite side is the Chapong San or T Mountain daw. Ayun. Nasisilaw ko sa araw. Ayan. Okay, this is the earth. And that one is heaven. Yan. It's heaven and earth. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye, everyone.